Hey Slices! So today started my spring break and it will continue till next week. So in today's video I figured we would make one of my favorite cocktail recipes and turn it into a Jello shot. So in today's video we are going to be making lemon drop martini Jello shots. So let's go spice things up. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is boil some water, or you can always boil it in a pan or even heat it up in the microwave. While you are waiting for your water to boil, you want to get these little mini cups. You can find them at Walmart. You can really find them at any supermarket, grocery store, or I will link in the description box below a link to Amazon. And you want to just prepare them, start putting them on the pan. And these ones are great because they come with the little mini lids so you can travel with. All right, so now you can just set this pan aside. All right, now that your water has boiled, you want to get the water and pour 1 cup into a measuring cup, 1 cup of water, and then get a small 3-ounce package of lemon Jello or gelatin and pour it right into your water. And whisk it till all the gelatin kind of dissolves into the hot water. Now you'll want to take 3/4 cup of vodka and pour it in. And now you want to take 1/4 cup of triple sec and pour it right in. Now whisk all those ingredients together. All right, so now you want to take your measuring cup with the liquid and pour them in these little containers. And just do that all the way until you are done filling up all these. And that filled up 16 containers. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put these lids on top of them so it's easy to transfer and that they don't spill. All right, lids are on all of them. All right, time to put them into our beer fridge. All right, so you'll wanna stick your Jello shots in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. I usually like to just put mine in overnight and just let them be ready for the next day for the party. So we will come back when they have set up. All right, so they have been in my fridge overnight. So now let's take a look. Yeah, they have set up nicely. Now I'm gonna show you the last step. Okay, so for the last step, you wanna take one of your Jello shots and get a lemon and rub it against the rim. Real good. And then take the sugar, this is sugar right here, and just kind of do this into the sugar. So it's a nice sugary rim. And then you can just go ahead and take your lemon and just stick it on the side. And then there you go. There is your lemon drop Jello shot. I hope you guys have an awesome spring break. Drink lots of Jello shots, stay safe, bye, and see you in the next video.